Hello, my pretties. Episode number 27 of Uber, Lyft, Crazy Stories, and Confessionals. This one involving tampons. This is original. So I go to pick somebody up. And just as he opens the door, before he even gets in my car, tampons in your back seat? What are you talking about? And then he hands me these forward after he sits down. Like, oh shit, you gotta be kidding me. That's a little embarrassing. And he was cool about it. He thought it was pretty funny too. I'm thinking, gosh, who was the passenger? Oh yeah, that's right. The passenger before you was, oh my goodness, it was a second-year high school student, a sophomore in high school. That was my last passenger. She must have dropped him out of her bag or purse or pocket. Who knows? Ladies, do you put tampons in your back pocket? I have no idea, but that was a little bizarre. Thank goodness he didn't really care. It was just funny. And so I'm thinking to myself, yeah, I'll just put them in the center column here. I'll throw them away at the next gas station or whatever after I drop this dude off, thinking I wouldn't forget. Well, I forgot. So I go to pick up my next passenger, and this is a female, gets in my car, a couple of them actually, a couple of girls, and they get in my car. Oh, you're giving away free tampons to your female passengers? I'm like, oh shit, no, I forgot to throw these away. And then I went into the story about what just happened. Actually, no, that last part I just made up. That totally never happened. The rest of the story happened, but when my next passengers got into the car, I quickly remembered, oh shit, I grabbed him really quick, put him underneath my seat, and that was that. To my knowledge, they never even knew they were there. So I thought that was kind of funny, and I'm probably making more of it than it actually is or was, but for whatever reason, felt it good enough to be a story here on my adventures as an Uber and Lyft driver. So that's all I've got for you. And every dollar I make, every bit of it, every red penny, 100% of everything I make, I am able to save and invest into my rental property business. And I wrote an article about how I'm able to be in a position to where I can literally save 100% of everything that I make, because most people can't do that. But I wrote an article about how I got into natural health and residual money to be able to make that possible. If you want to see the article, happy to send it to you. Just ask. And with that, I have a website with more of these stories, as well as all kinds of stuff about natural health and healthy recipes and financial freedom and philosophy at tomberkenmeyer.com. Just like it's spelled here on social media, tomberkenmeyer.com. But for that article specifically I referenced, feel free to ask me for it. I'll send it to you either here or in private message. I don't care. I'm going to go pick up another passenger and see what else awaits me for the next video.